Picture this. You walk into a room, and instead of bracing yourself for a dry, boring lecture, you're stepping into an actual journey. You aren't staring at some plain corporate video call grid. No, you're surrounded by a warm navy backdrop, gently glowing stars, and this immediate feeling of genuine discovery. The words that greet you really set the tone right out of the gate. Curiosity keeps us young.
Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into an incredibly fascinating, highly engaging educational experience that's designed specifically for adults and retirement communities. It's called the Wonder Lab. We're going to completely unpack their proven blueprint for keeping curiosity alive and see exactly how they transform a standard 60-minute session into a truly captivating event.
So how exactly do they do this? Well, we first have to look at their brand personality. They don't just, share information. They create a whole atmosphere. It's this very specific, carefully crafted blend. You've got the magic of Disney, the clean simplicity of Apple, the breathtaking wonder of National Geographic, and the inviting warmth of an Airbnb. It's a premium, welcoming space that actually respects the intellect of its participants. What's truly interesting here is the sheer breadth of the curriculum. For $2,000 a month, communities get a completely interactive program where residents learn one fascinating topic every single week. It is definitely not school. It's designed to be literally the coolest thing you'll learn all week. We're talking everything from the underground networks of talking trees, to the journey of a bitter cacao bean, to the harsh realities of surviving on Mars, all the way to the deep science of human happiness. Activity directors absolutely love this because the sheer variety and quality reliably pack the room. But how do they keep everyone so captivated week after week? It all comes down to their golden rules. And here is a massive one: 50. Actually, scratch that. It's strictly between 50 and 80 beautiful, full-screen visuals per workshop, with minimal text. They absolutely do not want participants squinting at bullet points. They want them looking at striking imagery that pulls them right into the heart of the topic. Let's see how these visuals build into their actual session structure. This is the 60-minute Wonder formula. Every single episode follows this exact cadence, so residents always know what to expect. You start with a welcome and a big question, move into the story, reveal amazing discoveries, test knowledge with an interactive quiz, and then wrap up with a final wonder. Okay, let's dive into this. Instead of just talking about the blueprint, let's actually run a simulation. We're going to experience a completely self-guided, interactive version of this formula right now, where no instructor is even needed. We're using their Day 2 curriculum, The Secret Lives of Octopuses. Get ready, because you are now in the Wonder Lab. Step 1. Welcome and the big question. We always begin by anchoring the session around a single, overarching mystery. So here is your big question for today. I want you to really think about this for a second. Could an octopus solve a puzzle faster than you? Just let that sit in your mind. Could a creature living deep beneath the ocean actually rival human problem-solving skills? Step 2. Guess before we reveal. Now guess how many brains an octopus has. Go ahead, take a guess in your head right now. Is it 1, 2, maybe more? By forcing you to make a guess before the big reveal, your brain is totally primed and eager for the truth. Step 3. The story. This is where we weave facts into captivating, immersive narratives. And this brilliantly illustrates the contrast. As humans, we have one heart and red blood. Pretty standard, right? But an octopus? It is practically alien. It literally has 3 separate hearts pumping completely blue blood through its entire body. Building on that bizarre alien biology, we tell the story of their incredible intelligence. These creatures are absolute masters of camouflage, changing not just their color, but the actual physical texture of their skin to match rocks and coral in mere milliseconds. And they are so wildly smart that there are documented cases of them waiting for the lights to go out, escaping their aquarium tanks, sliding all the way across the floor to eat fish in a neighboring tank, and then sneaking right back home before morning. No way, right? Step 4. Amazing discoveries. This is all about delivering those huge wow moments. All right, get ready, because here is your ultimate wow moment for today. Because they have absolutely 0 bones in their bodies, an octopus can squeeze its entire self through any opening that is simply larger than its beak. That means a massive, heavy octopus can literally flatten itself to slide through a hole the size of a quarter. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Step 5. Resident discussion. Getting that crucial resident interaction.
So, considering everything we've just learned about their three hearts, the blue blood, their escape artist intelligence, and that crazy ability to squeeze through tiny spaces, I'll pose this directly to you. Would you keep an octopus as a pet? Imagine having one of those hanging out in your living room. This is exactly how the program breaks the ice and gets absolutely everyone in the room talking. Step 6. The final wonder and the golden standard. Closing the loop.
As we step out of our little simulation here, remember the true metric of success for this whole setup. The goal isn't for residents to just memorize a bunch of facts. It's for them to leave smiling, talking, and genuinely looking forward to the next session. It's why this blueprint works so brilliantly without feeling like a classroom. If you can consistently deliver one fascinating idea in this highly visual, structured, and engaging way, you create a weekly tradition that people genuinely love and look forward to.
And that brings us to the ultimate quality standard rule of the Wonder Lab. The creator states that every single participant should be able to effortlessly answer this one simple question when they walk out the door. What amazing thing did you learn today? Think about our journey today through the blueprint and the secret life of the octopus. What will you remember tomorrow? Thank you so much for exploring this with me, and always remember to keep your curiosity alive.